Hey there guys! In this video, we're going to teach you how to transfer money from a Metrobank account to a GCash account using the Metrobank mobile app. This is really helpful when you're on the go and you need to send or receive money. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to go to the Metrobank mobile app and log in using your account details. Once you're logged in, you should be brought to the main dashboard of the app. Next, tap on the hamburger icon to open the list of available options. Look for the Transfer to Others option and tap on it. Then, select InstaPay for the transfer option. Here, we'll use one-time transfer. Tap Transfer to proceed. After that, you'll have to fill out the necessary details of the recipient such as the bank, account number, full name, purpose of transfer, email address, or mobile phone number. Select GCash from the bank options and enter the GCash number on the account number field. Provide all the other required information for the recipient in this form. For this transfer, I will be sending the funds to my own GCash account, so you see the same GCash number provided in this form. You may also choose to provide the email instead if you wish to receive the transfer notification through email. You can also choose to save the details of the recipient by tapping on the Save This Beneficiary switch. Tap Next to proceed to the next step. Next, select the source of funds. Then, specify the amount that you need to send, and tap Next. Be sure to review all the details you provided, and tap Submit to proceed with the fund transfer. Enter the OTP code that you received on the mobile phone number associated with your Metrobank account, then tap Submit. This is what you'll see after submitting the form. You'll also get this SMS on the mobile number associated with your Metrobank account. You'll get this SMS from Metrobank once the funds has been successfully transferred. Metrobank will also send an SMS notification to the indicated recipient's mobile number after the fund transfer has been completed. If you indicated an email address instead of a mobile number on the form, you will receive an email with a similar message. Lastly, you will receive an SMS from GCash containing information about the new funds that has been added into your GCash wallet. Well, there you have it. That's how you can transfer money from a Metrobank account to a GCash account using the Metrobank mobile app. Make sure to keep an eye out for our other videos where we'll be talking about more tips and tricks for your financial journey. Thanks for watching.